Given is a parallel circuit with a battery, a switch, and then 3 resistors that are in parallel with each other, resistor 1, 2, and 3. The important concepts for this is voltage is the same in every branch and on every resistor, and the current is shared. The current, those are basically the electrons flowing through the circuit, and if they leave the battery and come to the first branch, then some will go this way and some will go straight, and the same thing happens again here when it is branched. So that's why the current is shared. Here's our chart. We have given a total voltage across the battery of 40 volts. We don't have any currents. And we are given that the resistors have values of 4, 10, and 12 ohm respectively. Again, we need 2 variables to calculate the third one. And we are starting, just like in the last one, with the equivalent or total resistance in this circuit. Since this is a parallel circuit, we have to use this formula. 1 over the total resistance equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. When we calculate all that, so 1 over 4 plus 1 over 10 plus 1 over 12, and then the result again 1 over the result, we will get a total resistance of 2.31 ohms, and that is rounded to 2 decimal points. Going back to our concepts, the voltage is the same, so that means the 40 volts that we have across the battery is also 40 volts that we have on each resistor. So we can fill this in. 40, 40, and 40 here as well. Next, now that we have 2 variables, we can calculate the current, and we can also calculate the power on each of those resistors. So for the current, we use the formula I equals V over R. So 40 divided by 4, it's going to be 10 amps. 40 divided by 10, 4 amps. 40 divided by 12 is 3.33 ampere. And then the total, we can either add all those numbers up, or we can make 40 divided by 2.31. Either way, you get the same number, is rounded 17.33 amperes. So now we got 3 out of 4. And to calculate the power, we're going to use this formula. Power is current times voltage. So I times V. Okay, so 40 times 10, 40 times 4, 40 times 3.33 gives us values for the power of 400 watt, 160 watt, 133.2 watt, and we can either add all of these together or simply make 40 times 70.33, and it gives us the same number, 693.2 watt. Okay, that's that.